Hello, friends. If you're a do-it-yourself kind of person and don't want to pay the outrageous sum stores charge for aquarium rocks, then you may want to consider going out and finding some rocks on your own. Of course, you can't just add any rock to an aquarium, and you need to take many factors into consideration before adding new rocks to a fish tank. While you can save money by adding local rocks to your aquarium, if you choose the wrong kind of rock or don't properly prepare them, it can be absolutely disastrous. Some rocks can alter the pH or hardness of the water, and this is especially pronounced if you have naturally acidic water. And other rocks can be infested with bacteria and other nasty organisms that can be deadly to your fish. There is a wide selection of commonly found rocks that are perfectly safe for the home aquarium. They can be found in most areas and are easy to identify. These following rocks are generally safe and neutral: slate granite quartz, petrify, D wood, lava rock. And then, one day, walking in the park, I found a couple of rocks and decided to try to use them for my aquarium. I don't know much about rocks, but they look like granite. I brought them home, washed them well, soaked them in boiling water. Although I will use these stones in the aquarium where I swim my favorites, they are sapphire parrot cichlids, and they will not be strongly affected by changes in water parameters. I first decided to test these stones on gray, simple shrimp. I took a container, filled it with water from the aquarium, put the stones and added shrimp and began to observe them. After a few hours, shrimp became passive and almost did not swim. It was obvious that they are something influenced. But they were still alive. After another couple of hours, they died anyway. As most advised to use the stones, first boil them. I did so. Then repeated the same procedure with shrimp. This time, the shrimp were all day with these stones and they were fine. After all this, I added these stones to my main aquarium, and they are already there for the second day. There is nothing wrong with my fish. Always treat the rocks before adding them to the tank so your fish will be fine. There are different ways to treat rocks, but usually if you boil them in water, that's enough. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye.